Okay, what you're looking at here is the roof to our high school campus, as well as many of our AC units for the high school campus. The majority of our AC units on the high school campus, as well as several campuses throughout the district, specifically the primary, have old AC units that are over 20 years old. The majority of these AC units all run on what we refer to as the old R22 Freon, which is obsolete, and it is extremely expensive when we can find it and we can get it. So we have a large number of AC units, 87 to be exact, in the district that need to be updated and replaced. The long maroon roof right there is the awning for the high school main instructional hallway. If you'll notice in this closer picture, there is some pooling water to the side. We're needing to go in and extend this awning out several feet, because right now, with the length of the awning is causing a drainage issue, as you can tell. So if we are able to extend the awning out, that will improve the drainage issue, because it will help the water get to the drains and of course get off the roof in a quicker fashion. What we're moving to now are the roofs to the band hall, as well as the roof to our auditorium at the high school. If you can see, there's a discoloration on the roof. That is where the operations department had to take on a major patch project for the auditorium roof in late September, early October, due to all the rain. We had a substantial roof leak develop, and we had to put a patch on that roof. However, that patch is just temporary. So of course this roof is in need of some attention in the very near future. What's coming into view here are the roofs to our high school gymnasium. This is the roof of our primary campus. You'll be able to see in some shots coming up, there are quite a few ripples and high spots in this roof. You'll also notice that we have several awnings in a faded maroon color that are covering our AC units. You'll notice that one of those awnings has been removed, because we had to replace some AC units in the past, but all of those awnings are going to be removed in the near future, or hopefully in the near future, because what those awnings actually are doing is they are preventing us from being able to get in and service our AC units. They were a great idea to keep the weather off of them, but not a real good idea to assist us in being able to get in and update, clean, and service the AC units for the primary campus. You'll see in some photos the ripples I'm talking about in the primary roof. Those ripples are causing drainage issues to where water will stand in between those ripples and cannot access the drains. You can see a little bit there in this shot here that there was some water standing around the drains. You can see there as well on the left hand side of the screen where there is a large amount of standing water because there are ripples in the roof where the roofing material is coming up, and this roof is in need of updating and changing. Evidently, when the primary and high school campuses were built, they did not add roof or ladder access to the different tiers on the roofs of the building. So what my operations crew has had to do in order to be able to get from one tier to another is we've implemented tar buckets, or any bucket we could find, to be able to step up to be able to get to the next level to access and service whatever we're needing to access and service. We need roof ladder accesses to the different tiers on the primary and high school campuses.